Indenting text. Indenting feature is used to move the complete paragraph or the first line to a specific number of places from the left or right margin. Indenting basically draws the reader's attention.
Select the paragraph to be indented.
Click on the Increase Indent button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. The selected text will shift ½ inch away from the left margin. Click on the Decrease Indent button to move the text ½ inches closer to the left margin.
Time for some interesting tips.
Each time you click on the Increase Indent button, the paragraph will move ½ inch away from the left margin. You can also adjust the indents by dragging method. Select the paragraph and drag the first line indent, left indent or right indent.
Students, now we will learn how to change line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between continuous lines of the text in a document. We can also increase or decrease the line spacing between a paragraph. Select the text. Click on the Line Spacing button in the Paragraph group on Home tab. Select the desired option of line spacing from the drop-down list. Or, to set more precise spacing measurements, click on Line Spacing options from the drop-down list. The Paragraph dialog box will appear. Select the desired options under Spacing section. Click on OK button and notice the change. Note, by default the line spacing is set to single. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the paragraph spacing. Let us now discuss about setting margins. The distance between the written text and the edge of the paper is called margin.
MS Word allows you to set the margins on all 4 sides of the document, that is, top, bottom, left and right. The default margins are 1 from top and bottom and 1 from left and right margins.
Click on the Print Layout button in the Document Views group on the View tab.
To change the left or right margins, point to a margin boundary on the horizontal ruler. When the pointer changes to double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary. To change the top or bottom boundary, point to a margin boundary on the vertical ruler. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary.
Let me now guide you how to specify exact margin measurement. Click on the Margins button in the Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab. Normal is selected by default. Select the predefined margin size you want. Select the Custom Margins option from the drop-down list. The Page Setup dialog box will appear.
On Margins tab, click on the up or down arrow next to the top, bottom, left and right. List boxes to increase or decrease the margin settings respectively. In Apply To box, choose any option and click on OK.